Snap. Shred. Explode. You've never seen destruction like this before. From monster chippers to unstoppable shredders, we're crushing the limits of what machines can do. Prepare to be blown away, literally. It's fantastic to see such powerful technology applied to recycling. Tackling difficult waste streams like tires and e-waste is crucial, and this shredder seems incredibly effective at the first step: volume reduction. Knowing this helps process materials for reuse makes watching it even more impactful. Great for the environment and efficient resource management. Whoa, that MC2000 looks like a beast chewing through wood. But I heard some folks mention overheating issues. Like the radiator might be a bit small for that big engine, maybe sized like one for a medium-duty truck. Don't want that sawdust catching fire either. This Woosthacker BBHK 100's design screams efficiency for big jobs. That huge input, roughly 23 by 39 inches, means less pre-cutting, saving serious time and labor. The 5-blade setup ensures consistent, high-quality chips, which is crucial for many applications. A thoughtfully designed machine built for operators who need reliable, high-volume processing of large timber. They say they pull valuable parts first, but seeing those prices for the engine and transmission, $2,500 each. Is shredding really cheaper than spending a bit more time parting it out completely? Seems like leaving thousands of dollars on the table just to run it through the metal muncher. What's the real bottom line here? I ran full car bodies through the Blue Devil, and it handled them effortlessly. What stood out was the consistency. It doesn't just crush, it disassembles. Every pass gave clean, dense material. It's the most efficient shredder I've tested so far. Okay, that shredder handles those drums easily, but what about safety? Are there measures to deal with leftover residue or pressure inside the barrels before shredding? Seems like it could be risky. Also, how loud is that thing in person? Must be deafening. I ran full car bodies through the Blue Devil, and it handled them effortlessly. What stood out was the consistency. It doesn't just crush, it disassembles. Every pass gave clean, dense material. It's the most efficient shredder I've tested so far. As the largest WEE shredder in Unta's range, the RS-150 clearly demonstrates its dominance over this waste stream. That ultra-heavy-duty title is well-earned. And besides electronics, what's the toughest material this model has successfully tackled? Talk about recycling done right. Sunshine Recycling's Orangeburg plant is killing it with this setup. That Terex Fuchs MHL 360 is like a giant claw from an arcade game, but way cooler. I wonder how much scrap they process daily. Anyone know what happens to the bus after it's emptied? Got a headache dealing with massive, stubborn aggregates that jam up your current screener? This R155 seems purpose-built for that exact pain point. That extra capacity in the hopper and screen handles the heavy stuff smoothly. Might be the answer we've been looking for. That e-waste bale had a lot of metal variety. Some real blade killers in there. If the XR can take that on without constant downtime, that's solid engineering. Would love to know what kind of tool access it gives for quick blade swaps. Notice the rotational force and the sheer cutting power. The engineering is impressive, designed for maximum destruction of material. However, the tolerances are minimal. Any foreign object, especially a human limb, introduced would result in immediate, catastrophic failure. Safety protocols are paramount here. Wow, 540 horsepower. This Wust SMC 812 TCR absolutely demolishes that softwood, handling logs nearly 32 inches thick. That's some serious power turning that big rotor. The adjustable chip size, G10 to G50, is super useful too. Seeing it chew through wood like that is just awesome. What a beast of a machine. I could watch stuff like this all day. There's just something so satisfying about seeing machines do what they were built for. Shout out to whoever made this video. Great angles. Props to the operator too. Dude's got serious skills handling a machine like that. This is serious automation excellence. The Robot Max, powered by the Cambium software, brings precision and adaptability to a whole new level. With a 6-axis design and single-pass capabilities for massive timber, this isn't just a CNC upgrade, it's a revolution for mass timber production lines. How does the Hamel 450 stack up against other shredders in its class, maybe from brands like Dopstat or Metso? It looks robust, but curious about its specific advantages in terms of shred size consistency or fuel efficiency. More than just shredding, it's smarter resource management, recovering precious metals and boosting scrap purity, plus less furnace smoke. This benefits the environment and the wallet. That's how recycling should be done. Watch this. The Fox 1300 pushes the limit of industrial shredding with 75 kilowatts of no-nonsense destruction. Wood, metal, construction debris, nothing stands a chance. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire.
It's starting to sound hollow. It's a heck of a hole.
Your back will thank you. This speedster corn loader makes moving corn feel effortless. Less strain, more gain. How much easier would your harvest be? Let us know below. Can we just take a moment to appreciate how the Precision Husky 2300-4 handles that stringy eucalyptus bark like it's nothing? That 580 horsepower diesel engine is doing serious work. And with residual bark under 2%, it's like this machine was made for pulp perfection. Survive the chaos? There's more madness coming. Smash that like button, subscribe, and gear up. Next time, we're turning destruction up to 11.